Hey everybody, let's go through what AI Max for search campaigns is. Well, this is a major update to search campaigns. This includes a performance max style engine beneath traditional keywords, but what's nice about it is it keeps a lot more transparency and control available at your fingertips. I really love this. The fact that we're not just kind of forced to do a lot of these AI functions that are in the new search campaigns. We can actually toggle what we like about it and what we don't. It includes 3 core features. 1, expanded query matching. 2, final URL expansion. And 3, dynamic text customization. Let's go into them and hopefully it makes sense for you. Expanded query matching uses keywordless targeting. Now this enables campaigns to capture high intent searches that would normally be missed by traditional keywords. The other one I mentioned, final URL expansion, well, this dynamically chooses the most relevant landing page. This improves the alignment between search intent and the destination after somebody clicks on the ad. Now, this is cool because what I mentioned about customization and transparency, advertisers can include or exclude pages if they don't like what the choices are in AI Max. Okay. Another one that I found really interesting in terms of aspects around AI Max is Google creates headlines and descriptions for you based on your site and ad content. Again, that could be either a good or bad thing, but with AI Max, you can edit or remove anything that you don't like or doesn't fit. This is another cool thing that I've kind of been waiting for, but now you have new ad group level controls, such as location targeting at the ad group level and brand targeting, which simplify the keyword structures, and it also improves the campaign flexibility. Okay, brand controls, this is unique to AI Max. This allows you to manage brand product pairings without combining them in long keyword lists, streamlining your account structure. Okay, another aspect is improved reporting. So this is that transparency piece that I mentioned before. This now shows you which headlines served and which search terms and landing pages served as well. Or also you could say which landing pages were connected to various search terms or were kind of integrated with AI Max in this case. So it's important to see that transparency at a reporting level in Google Ads. And this happens with AI Max. Synthetic keywords, this is a term that I haven't heard before, but AI Max mentions this. So this summarizes long or conversational queries and makes them accessible via a new value track parameter for advanced analysis. So what I gather here is, we have UTM parameters, UTM term, UTM content, UTM campaign. We now have one for conversational style queries that you can get reporting on via a value track parameter. So, that's useful in terms of getting data into your measurement platforms, i.e. GA4 or wherever that may be. Another aspect is that AI Max is currently optional, but in my view, I think this is where search is going. So like I mentioned, it's offering performance max level performance gains, but it's keeping that precision that we all know and love in traditional search campaigns. And from what I'm reading, early adopters have seen strong results in AI Max. So once I learn more about it, I'll continue to post and make videos, but this is what I have found out about AI Max. Okay, hopefully this was helpful to you. And yeah, sometimes reading these blog posts and various, news articles and whatnot just kind of make you more confused. So hopefully this kind of distills some of that complex information. But this is what I gather from AI Max. You'll learn more in the days to come. But yeah, happy to have you here and learn with me. Have a good one. Bye.